It's a beautiful day to plant today, and I'm going to make my miniature garden. So here's my bonsai pot for the miniature garden, and these three are my tools. So this rake is used so that I can flatten the surface of the soil, and then over here is that so I can scoop up the soil and put the plants in there. And this is another smoothing tool. So here are my materials. So I have my rocks. I have volcanic rocks, my white rocks over here, and my pebbles. And I also have my rainbow rocks. And I have my miniature toys which will be used to decorate my miniature garden later. And it wouldn't be a garden without plants. And these are the plants that I will be digging up in my garden, and I'm going to put them here. So the first thing that I will do is that I'm going to plant these plants into the soil. And first, I'm going to put this one. So I'm going to get the plant using this. I'm going to scoop it up. And I'm going to put this here. Up with the soil. Next, I'm going to put in this cactus. Now I'm going to put it here. Dig, dig, dig. Okay, now I was able to put it in with a little bit of assistance because this is a cactus and it has so many thorns, so it would have been so hurt. I would have been hurt so bad if I put it by myself. So anyways, next plant. Now I'm going to put these plants in over here. Dig, dig, dig again. And by the way, the soil that I used is loam soil. I used it because it is the best kind of soil and it has all of the nutrients that plants need. So it contains all of the soils mixed up, which are the clay soil, the sandy soil, and the silt soil. So I'm going to put these other plants in too. Okay, last two plants. So now I'm going to put this snake plant in here. Okay, last one. And I'm going to put it here. I have now finished putting all of the miniature plants that I decided to, and now I'm going to put in my miniature toys. But first, I want to have a well in my miniature garden. So I'm going to use this cup, and I'm going to dig the soil. Now I have put my miniature well in, and now I'm going to put in my toys. And first, I'm going to put my house here. And first, I'm going to make a pathway for this house. And I'm going to put some rocks around the house first before making the pathway. I'll be doing the pathway now. Now I'm gonna put some rocks around here. now that I'm done putting the rocks around the pot or the edges of the pot, I'm going to put some lava rocks. So first, over here, and then a bigger chunk here. And then this one over here to support the plant. And then here, another rock. Wait, let me fix this. Okay, now I'm done putting the volcanic rocks. I am now going to put the rocks here for the well. And now I'm going to put a border for this pathway using these colorful rocks. I'm finally done putting in the border for the pathway, and now I'm going to put these colorful rocks on the right side of the pathway. So I'm done with this side, and because this is a rock garden, it should be full of rocks. And as you can see here, I'm going to put some rainbow rocks around here. So I'm going to put some of these small pebble rocks here on the left side over here. Okay, I'm done now. And I forgot that I have some white smooth rocks here. So I'm going to put this one over here and the other one over here. I'm done putting the smooth right rocks in. And now I think it's the time to put my other decorations here. Like these people, for example. And lastly, I think it's time to put some water here in my well. Wait a minute, I'll just get some water. I will now be pouring in the water in the well. Lastly, to make the well look nice, I decided to put in some colorful stones. Maybe these. Okay, so this is here, my miniature garden, and I'm finally done. So here we got some plants, like some succulents. Here are my succulents, this, and this. And over here, I have a pothos plant. And here is my miniature bamboo tree. And then over here, we got some rocks, including some colorful and white smooth ones. And then I have some toys here that are very colorful. And I have some dogs, some pets, some people, and I have this house here. Alright, I hope you liked the garden that I made, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is now my miniature rock garden. I hope you like it.